Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about telling time and knowing the difference between the hour and the minute hand, and also how to tell time to the 5-minute mark. So if you look here, we have a clock, and if you notice, we have a small hand and we also have a big hand. So the small hand is our hour hand. It's the shorter hand. When it's pointing to that, we count by ones. So if it's pointing to the 1, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now the minute hand is the longer hand, and we skip count by 5s. So notice we have marks here, 2, 3, 4. If we get to the 1, that's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And when we get to the 12, it's 0, or what we call o'clock. So here's the hour shown, but what are the minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and this is o'clock. So now let's look here. We want to look at where the hour hand is pointing to. So it's pointing to the 1. So I'm going to write a 1 here. And now remember, we skip count by 5. So I'm going to skip count starting at the 12. We always start at the 12. And we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So what time is it? It is 1:30. What time is it here? So let's look at our hands. First is our hour hand. That's the smaller hand, pointing to what number? The 10. Now to count our minutes, remember we always start here at the 12. So I'm going to skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. I stop right here at 25. So what time is it? 10:25. Let's try this one. What's our hour hand at? Remember, the hour hand is the small hand. It's at 2 o'clock. 2, right here, 2. Now I want to count till I stop at 8 for my minutes, so I'm going to start at 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. What time is it? 2:40. It's 2:40. What time is it here? Try this one on your own. Our hour hand is at 5. Our minutes, 5, 10, 15. It is 5:15. Now this one, we're going to draw our hands on the clock. So remember, our first number is our hour, and our last number is our minutes. So our small hand is going to go to 12. Then I need to skip count till I get to 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And this is how I show 12:45. Let's try one more. Our first number is our hour. Small hand to 11. This is our minute hand, our longer hand to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, which means our long hand is going to go to our 5. Now what you're going to do is you're going to complete a worksheet. It's going to be attached underneath this video that you find on the Padlet. And what you're going to do is you're going to have to draw the time, just like I did here.